The Dri-Eaz HEPA 700, an air scrubber designed for the unique needs of educational environments. The work you do shapes the world we live in. But that world is changing. Clean air has become a primary health and safety concern. The HEPA 700 is built for today's classroom, with features designed to improve efficiency and safety. Every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure the most rigorous standards are met for better quality air that helps contain the spread of airborne diseases, dust, fumes, and other harmful particulates. Stackable and portable, the HEPA 700 delivers 6 air changes per hour in 7,000 cubic foot spaces. When set to low, the unit draws just 1.5 amps, allowing up to 8 units to be connected on a single 15-amp circuit via the onboard dual GFCI outlets. Compact yet powerful, the HEPA 700 achieves unparalleled performance for cleaner air and passes stringent DOP test standards with the provided true HEPA filter. Use the HEPA 700's activated carbon filter when wildfire smoke causes discomfort for students and workers. The carbon filter removes smoke and noxious odors from the air quickly. The unit's adjustable settings, controlled from an intuitive interface, allow users to reduce the fan speed for quieter operation when needed. But perhaps best of all for facility managers, download our Command Center Pro app to remotely monitor and control all your facility's units via Wi-Fi and stay a step ahead without needing to disturb. Protect your staff and the students they serve by improving indoor air quality with the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700.